Check out this big old palette of goodness. So I got strawberries, blueberries, topped up with cilantro, and of course, you know, your Pandan Waffles. So good. What is up, everybody? Today we are making Pandan Waffles. If you haven't subscribed yet, please feel free to, and don't forget to click the like button. So starting things off, we're gonna have 2 eggs, crack that, whisk it, 1 cup of milk, and a dash of pandan extract. Whisk everything together and set it to the side. Next, we're going to work on our dry ingredients. So we have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch, ½ cup of sugar, and give everything a good mix. So once everything is mixed together, we're going to add that into the wet ingredients, and we're going to whisk that all together. Once you mix those all together, we're going to add some sweet coconut flakes and a pinch of salt. Set that aside, and we're going to begin to make our syrup for the waffles. So starting things off with a ½ can of coconut milk, or you can use a whole can depending on how much you want. I'm using ½ a can here, and I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. Whisk that all together on simmer. Turn off the heat and allow it to cool. Oh yeah, don't forget the pinch of salt. Look what I made.
Wow.
Whoa. That looks delicious.
Looks good on it.
Yeah.
So pretty, I don't want to touch it.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Look at that. Look at all the colors.
That's beautiful.
I've seen Pandan Waffles made before, but not with coconut sauce. Like this.
Whoa.
Need a little bit extra of that flavor. So while I drizzle this onto the waffles, I'm gonna let y'all try each one. Let's put that over here. Okay. Alright, here we go. Y'all ready?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. That's for you.
Thank you.
For
Whoa.
you.
Thank you.
Check that out.
Throw that on there. Delicious. Alright, show them what we got. Ooh, that's so pretty. So pretty. Alright, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
That's good.
Oh my goodness. That coconut sauce? So good. And that's a very sweet strawberry.
If I'm not mistaken, I think I'm the first one that did that. Okay? So if you've seen it, you heard it here first. Or you've seen it here first. All that.
That pandan, you can actually taste that. I've seen a lot of pandan flavored dishes, but I just usually see the color. But I can actually taste this in it.
I love the smell of pandan. You know that?
Me too.
Can you smell it? Can you smell yours?
Yeah. Man, this is the good stuff I've been smelling all day in the house.
It's good, huh? Like coconut cream on
Oh,
top of
amazing.
pandan with coconut flakes in here.
Color's beautiful too.
Maddie, come try this. Come here. So what's up, Madeline?
Hello.
Hello. Alright, grab that one. I've been licking my fingers, so you know how to grab it yourself. Okay, scoot down. Alright, tell them what you think.
That's really good.
Look up. 4 yeses. That's good. Get some more. Y'all dig in. Get you some.
don't mind if I do.
Mm-hmm. Fruits.
Here you go.
Breakfast.
Delicious.
So, okay. You know waffles, you use obviously syrup or maple syrup, whatever, right?
I like this
So,
a whole
yeah.
lot more than syrup.
So the idea came like, okay, I need to drizzle something on top of this. Like, shoot, you know what? Coconut. Put coconut milk, put some sugar, pinch of salt, drizzle it on top. Creamy. Creamy money. Delicious. That's money. Right? Big old strawberry. Did I say strawberry? Blueberry. I'm sorry, blueberry. This is a strawberry. Alright, so what y'all rate this? I give it a 10.
10 out of 10.
10, 10, 10. You gotta try this. Try this recipe
And I'm a
at
huge
home.
fan of waffles. I love these.
Mm-hmm.
And this is just so much more different. It's a lot more fresh. I'm gonna say that.
Aromatic, for sure.
Mm-hmm.
It's crispy from the cornstarch. Chewy texture from the tapioca. Right? Yeah. And then the sweetness is like the coconut flakes. And the coconut drizzle that I put on top. You know, I totally forgot. I forgot the walnuts. I bought walnuts and I forgot to put it on, but it's all right. It's still good. It's just a little bit crunchy. There she goes. There we go. Better late than never, right? Bam.
Oh wow, that brown makes it look really
Now
pretty.
look, color contrast. Yee.
Honestly, it would have looked so much more nicer, but we already devoured it.
Yeah. So let's see. How's it look with the nuts? Oh, lost some berries. There you go. Beautiful.
The waffle, it has a different texture than I've ever tasted before. It's like soft. It's like mochi almost, but not as chewy. It's just like that soft feeling that you bite into it, but it does have a crunch at the end as well.
So I think that, you know, the more chewier you want it, obviously add more tapioca starch. The less chewy, if you want a light, like a hint of chew, it's not crazy chewy now, but it's just enough, you know. So
It's a
just
satisfying
add probably
amount.
about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and go from there. Mine's on the good chewy side and crispy.
Yeah.
But yeah, definitely, if you enjoy this video and you think this plate is just to die for, because it's good, it looks good, it tastes good. I mean, what else is there to say? Give this video a thumbs up if you have Pandan before. Comment down below, tell me what you think. See y'all next time. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya. Bye.